Alright, this is how the process works on paper. First you have some type of container. In this case it's going to be cylindrical, and then you fill it with water. And then you put a cap on that container, and you put in an anode and a cathode. Let's just pretend this is the cathode, and the cathode is negatively charged. And then here you have the anode, which is positively charged. Now, this is going to be hooked up to a car battery, which is going to give you 12 volts, and this thing is going to draw, depends on how much baking soda you use, a specific number of amps. But you are going to get 12 volts, obviously, because that's what a car battery puts out. And once you start to pass a current through using the water as a medium, it's going to generate little bubbles that are going to start to come up off of the both positively charged and negatively charged sides for the anode and cathode. You trap the gas and you run it through some kind of tube out into the intake of the vehicle, usually through the vacuum line, or you could do it in the airbox. There's a few different ways. Vacuum line works the best because it keeps a constant draw. You just have to make sure that it doesn't have too much of a vacuum, or else it'll suck the water right out. That's pretty much it. And in the next video I'll explain how I use the baking soda to speed up the reaction as using it as an electrolyzer, and what kind of can to use and what's the